Good morning, students. Myself, Mrs. Komal Makar, your computer teacher. Today we are going to complete exercises of lesson 6, Fun with Paint. This is part 3. Let's do exercises. Our first exercise is words to remember. As we can say, explain the following terms. First is text, and the meaning is a command to write text. Second is curve, a command which is used to draw curved lines. Polygon, a command that is used to draw closed figure bounded by straight lines. Select tool is used to select text, an image or part of image. Paste. Paste is a command to paste a copied part at desired location. Answer the following questions. The first question is, what is the use of text tool? Answer is, text tool is used for writing text in the selected area. Second, what is the difference between cut and copy option? Answer, cut command removes the selected portion from the image, while copy command is used to copy selected part of an image to another location. It means cut is for removing the portion and copy is for making one another image to another location. Where do you find paste button? Write its use. We find paste button in clipboard group. Paste button is in the clipboard group. It is used to insert the copied image at any other place. By the use of paste button, we can just insert our copied image at any other place. What is the use of color picker? One tool name is color picker, and what is the use of it? Color picker is used to select color of any object you click. Name any 3 types of brushes available in paint. The name of 3 types of brushes are airbrush, watercolor brush and oil brush. Some other brushes are also available. You can write those names also. What are the steps that you would follow to copy and paste an object or image in Paint window? To copy an image, step number 1, select the part of the drawing. Now click copy. And to paste an image, select the part from the clipboard group and click on paste. Fill in the blanks. First is, the whole or a part of the drawing can be selected using select command. Second, the cut button dash the selected part of the image. Answer is removes. The cut button removes the selected part of the image. Third, the dash option selects the entire image. Answer is select all. So the sentence will be, the select all option selects the entire image. Fourth, dash is used to copy selected part of an image. Answer is copy. Copy is used to copy selected part of an image. Fifth, When color picker is selected, the shape of dash gets changed. Answer is pointer. Then the sentence will be, when color picker is selected, the shape of pointer gets changed. Take the correct option. First, to select the entire drawing, we use, answer is select all. So the sentence will be, to select the entire drawing, we use select all. Next, fill with color command is in dash group. And the answer is tools. So the sentence will be, fill with color command is in tools group. Third, dash selection tool selects irregular area. Answer is free form. Free form selection tool selects irregular area. Fourth one, the word polygon stands for a closed figure with more than dash sides. Answer is 2. The word polygon stands for a closed figure with more than 2 sides. Fifth, we can click paste from the dash. Answer is clipboard group. We can click paste from the clipboard group. Write true or false. Option number 1. To write some text in Paint, one should use oval tool. It is a false sentence. Second, to select color of any object, color picker is used. This sentence is right. Third, to draw a plain closed figure bounded by straight lines, we can use polygon. True. Fourth, the curve tool can be used to draw circles. It is a false sentence. One another hot question is given in the exercises. Question is, today is the marriage anniversary of Meenakshi's parents. She wants to make a beautiful greeting card in Paint window for her parents. Which all tools should she use to draw and color the card? Answer is, she should use pencil, brush, airbrush, fill with color, color picker and text tool for making a beautiful greeting card. Here, one picture is given. You have to see that picture and write the tools used to draw these objects in Paint. One is sun. Sun is made of which tools? It is made up of oval and line tool. Birds with pencil tool. Road with curve tool. Fence with rectangle tool. Tree with pencil tool. Path with curve tool. Buildings with rectangle tool and gate with rectangle tool. In this exercise, you have to write the names of some fruits and the tools used to draw them. First name is mango. By the help of which tool we can make mango? With the curve tool. And banana with the curve tool only. Papaya also with the curved tool. Pineapple with the oval and line tool. Grape with the oval tool and watermelon also with the oval tool. Home assignment. You have to watch the video carefully and read the chapter carefully once again. And do all the work in your books and copies accordingly. Hope you understood and enjoyed the lesson. Have a nice day.